Most of my 50 years on this planet, I've lived in chronic stress without even knowing it. So just because I'm teaching about being relaxed and stress-free, it doesn't mean I'm an expert. I'm teaching these ancient methods of sexual kung fu because they're effective in my own life and because my physical body really needs it. So I share my knowledge not to boost my ego, but as an inspiration, as invitations to join me on this journey of being a relaxed, mature, and loving human being. A normal day for most people was shown on my biofeedback device as a stressful day, even when I was feeling relaxed and happy or when I was engaged in light-demanding activities. The data proved otherwise. Now, through training sexual kung fu, I've been able to make slow, gradual and clear health improvements and changes in my lifestyle to live more stress-free and to feel this undercurrent of safety much deeper, which engages my physical body's natural healing capacity on a continuous daily life basis.